Hello everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to change the ringtones on the VTech cordless phone set, which is the Dec 6. And this model is the CS6124. So, in order to change the ringtones on this VTech, you lift up the handset. So the first thing you want to do is hit menu. You want to scroll, go to settings. Nope, I mean ringers. Go to ringers, go to ringer tone, and then you hit select. And you hit these up and down arrows to select your ring. To save your ringtone, you hit select. So here we go. We're going to leave it on this ringtone for right now. And this is the bass ringer right here.
Bass ringer is off.
So there you have it. That's how you change the ringtones on this VTech CS6124. So anyways, thank you for watching.